Okay, we're gonna pick this one up where the previous video froze. Okay, so we're investing $1,000 at 2% annual interest, and we want to know how much money we have after 5 years, compounding it a different number of times. So we started with compounding quarterly, which is 4 times a year. So our equation, y equals 1,000, 1 plus, so our interest rate as a decimal, 0.02 divided by 4, because we're compounding it 4 times a year. And so up here in our exponent, we'll have 4, the number of times we compound it, times the number of years, which is 5. So on our calculator, 1,000 times, in parentheses, 1 plus the 0.02 divided by 4, close the parentheses, raised. 4 times 5 is 20. So we enter and we get 1104. We'll round that one to 90 cents. I don't know, the bank may round it to 89 for all we know, but we'll give you the extra penny here. All right, now we're going to compound it monthly, so that's 12 times a year. So this exact same equation, instead of 4, we're going to have 12 in those two places. So 0.02 divided by 12, raised to the 12 times 5. And so here's a little trick on your calculators. If we hit second, enter, it brings up the previous command. So now I can use all of those same. I need to make that a 12. So 1. And now I want to insert, so second. Right above the delete is the word insert. That allows me to insert. And then instead of 20, 12 times 5 is 60. And we end up with 1105.08. So a little bit more, not a ton more, obviously, given the low interest and the low amount we are savings or put in originally. Now compounded continuously. Remember, we use the equation A equals P times E to the RT. So A is the amount we have after a period of time. P is the amount we invest. E raised to the R, which is the interest rate, which is 0.02 times the time, which is 5. Okay, so putting this into our calculators, 1,000 times, again, second, the natural log, which is where our E is, and then 0.02 times 5, close the parentheses, and you see that our amount is 1105.17. So again, just a little bit more than we had previously. All right, hope that helps, and we'll see you soon.